Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can use sum formula in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see that I have a chart which has some students results, the subject Bangla, English, Math and Science. So I am going to sum this total numbers of each students in this cell. So you can do this in many way. Okay, so let's see, we will see how we can do it. So for example, if you want to add these four cells, how you can do it. So you have to write is equal, then first bracket, you have to select the first cell, then you have to give the plus sign, then the second cell, then again the plus sign, then again the next cell, again plus, again the next cell. Okay, then close the bracket. Now then click enter. Okay, as you can see, the summation of this four subject is total is has been showing in the page. So this is very tough process, so I'm going to show you a simple process. So now I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a shortcut for this one. Then sorry, again the first cell is to the last cell, then close the bracket, and here you have to write the sum. Okay, then click on enter. Okay, so now we are gonna summation this results as well. So we are not writing the formula again. We have to click on these cells, then click on the top bottom corner, then as you can see this plus icon, you have to drag and drop the each cell. As you can see, the total summation has been added in the file. So this is how you can use the sum formula in Microsoft Excel. So this is it. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.